There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi! The holidays are here! Woohoo! I love the holidays. Now I know these holidays may be a little bit different this year because you may not be spending them with as many family and friends, but you could still have so much fun outside and inside. Now, one of my very favorite activities to do inside is to make a holiday garland decoration. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. What you need is some paper, safety scissors, and glue. Now, what you do is you cut your paper with your scissors to make strips like this. You can ask a grown-up to help you do this part, okay? And then you take one of your strips of paper and then you fold it over so that you have a circle. You see that circle? Hello. Okay, so you do this and then you add some glue so that you stick, I'll do it here, you add some glue so that you can stick your little circle together so that it holds like that. Isn't that neat? Okay, so then what you do is you take another strip of paper and you loop it through your circle. Oh. And then you glue this piece of paper to make another circle. Okay, so I'll add a bit of glue there. Oh, did I get that on? There we go. Okay, so you add some glue to hold that second circle together. And do you see what happens? You start to create a chain, a garland. I'm gonna do one more. I'm going to show you. Okay, you loop it through. And then what do? You add the glue. Loop it through and add the glue. That's a rhyme. Okay, so here we go. Add some glue to stick that last circle together like that, and you make a chain. And you know what? When you start to make many of these circles, loop them together, you'll get a big, long, massive garland, a holiday garland decoration. Isn't this awesome? So I'm gonna hang it along my mantelpiece so that it's all nice and decorated. Oh, it's, woo, woo. Woo. I better hang it before I crush it. I am sitting by my fire pit roasting marshmallows. Marshmallows are one of my favorite holiday treats. Have you ever roasted a marshmallow? Well, I shall roast a marshmallow for my friends as well. So here's one more, whoopsies, I'm gonna try that again. My stick broke. You see, you stick the marshmallow on the stick. So here's one for me, one for you, then one for Dizzy G. Who else? Oh, Grub, Oog, and one for Ziku. How many marshmallows is that? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 marshmallows. Did I count that right? Let's check. I'll count from the top this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 marshmallows. All right, now to roast them. What I do is I take the marshmallows and then I place them in the fire pit. And it doesn't take very long. Now this is something that you only ever do with a grown-up because a fire pit is dangerous. So you see the marshmallows? They're starting to get a bit goldy brown. You try not to roast them too much where they get black like I just did, but there we go. Oh, I guess my marshmallows dropped. Now I have 0 marshmallows. All right, guess I'll just have to start again.
Are you ready to get fit? Are you ready to get healthy? Are you ready to build those muscles? Are you ready to click clock? Yes, let's do this. It's the holidays, so let's celebrate. Let's be snowflakes falling from the sky to the ground. Yeah, let me see you now. Snowflake from the sky to the ground. Yeah, snowflakes are falling from the sky to the ground. Yeah. Oh, from way up high to the ground. Now, all these snowflakes makes it chilly. It is cold, so let's warm up. Yeah, warm up by jogging on the spot. All right, lift those knees up high and let's warm up because it is cold outside. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, warm up those muscles. Okay, now, here we go. Let's eat some holiday soup. Okay, now, let's stir the soup. Yeah, stir the pot. All right, let's stir up high. And let's stir up low. Yeah, stir the pot of soup. Okay, and the other way. Stir the pot. Yes. And stir the pot any way you like. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. And now, are you ready to click clock? Let's click clock. Okay, let's do the shovel. Grab your shovel and shovel the snow. Yeah. And shovel it over here and shovel on the other side and shovel the snow. Yeah, and that's it for Click Clock. Let's thank our muscles. Thank you, muscles. Yeah.
I always know when the holidays are coming because it snows where I live. Snow is wet. Snow is cold. Snow is fun. S N O W. Snow! A yummy holiday treat snack is a snowface snack. To make a snowface snack, you need a rice cracker. And you need some cream cheese. This is this yummy stuff right here. And some raisins and strawberries. So, to make your snowface snack, you take your rice cracker. Do you see what shape this is? What shape is this? This is a circle, right? So this circle, rice cracker, shall be our face. So, to make it a snow face, you take some cream cheese and you spread it on your rice cracker. Like this. You cover the full circle. Okay, there we go. And now we need to add some eyes. We shall do so with some raisins. Okay, there we go. There's some eyes. Now really you can use anything to decorate your snow face. Anything healthy. You can use some vegetables or some little cereal to add on top. I'm using some raisins and I shall add a strawberry mouth. Those are my raisin eyes. And this shall be my strawberry mouth. There, just a little piece of strawberry. Like that, you see? Maybe I'll turn the strawberry to have a smiley mouth. There we go. And there's my happy little snow face snack. Oh, you make me happy, snow face snack, because you taste delicious. I have a masterpiece for my mantelpiece. This masterpiece is called Fun Outside with Gisele. Oh, I love to have fun outside. And this masterpiece is made by the artist Paisley, who's 7 years old, from Campbellford, Ontario, Canada. Thank you, Paisley. I love your note. It says, "To Gisele, Merry Christmas. I hope you like my picture of me, you, and my sister Parker," from Paisley and Parker. Do I like your picture? This is a masterpiece. I love it. I love that we're dressed as twins. We're both wearing red shirts, and we both have blue pants, and I have my purple scarf in my hair. Oh, that's how I know that's me. And there's Parker saying hello. Hello, Parker. I wish you and Paisley a very Merry Christmas, and a Merry Christmas to all of you who are celebrating Christmas. I shall add my masterpiece right there to my mantelpiece. Look at that, it looks beautiful. Oh, thank you again. If you would like to send me a masterpiece for my mantelpiece, please ask a grown-up to take a picture of a piece of one of your pieces of art, one of your masterpieces, and then you send it to giselemishmash.com. I will print it and then display it here on my mantelpiece, just like Paisley and Parker's masterpiece. And grown-ups, if you like this video for your child, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, as it helps to support me and my YouTube channel. I will see you in another video of the Gisele Mishmash, and in the meantime, I wish you all the happiest of holidays. Bye-bye for now. I send you a mishmash of love.
The Gisele